Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Research Days presentation. My name is Diana Velasco Manzano,
My name is Darimar Weert.
and we're presenting Teachers in the Aftermath of COVID-19. During the 2020 coronavirus pandemic, a lot of classrooms were impacted nationwide, and we continue to feel the effects of fatigue, resource and administrative shortages, chronic absenteeism, and behavioral changes in students, teachers, and parents to this day. As we delved into our research, we noticed that this topic has centered majorly around the experience of students, with rarely any mention of the struggles that our educators have had to go through. That is why we found it very important to research and highlight teachers in the aftermath of COVID-19. It is crucial to us that through our study, we can humanize the work teachers do and call attention to the issues currently at hand so pathways can be formed to focus on the empowerment of teachers and the prosperity of students. As we look toward the future of education, we must reflect on the dedication and determination that it takes for our strong educators to continue to thrive in our classrooms. Now that we've introduced our introduction, we're going to head into methods and materials. For our study, we decided to make it a qualitative study that focused on obtaining statements from educators who were teaching during and/or after the pandemic. This type of study allowed us to align our previous work that we worked in collaboration with the Center for the Positive Development of Urban Children, where we coded data that they gathered in their mentorship program with educators that was called Cultural Trailblazers. We also made this a qualitative study in order to allow us to meet our aim of gathering more information on the extra stressors and obstacles that our teachers faced over the past 4 years.
Okay, so now that we've discussed our methods and materials, it's time for us to get into the results. So the majority of teachers who participated in our study taught grades K through 8 and were split almost evenly between public and private schools, with a few outliers that belong to the other category. You could see in the graph below that all of the teachers that participated had a minimum of a high school diploma, but also carried many other certifications and degrees. So some of the common themes we found in our research will be highlighted now in this section. As you can see, there were many teachers that had these common themes and expressed both happiness and a little bit of worry when it comes to the future. And because of some of the stressors that were highlighted above, we asked the question that as they consider the stressors mentioned above, if they ever thought or considered leaving the educational field in this context. And a great majority of teachers responded with a yes, unsure, or prefer not to answer. To conclude, more work should be done to increase teacher retention. Through exploring the different stressors mentioned by teachers and finding solutions to the problems they're facing, more teachers will want to continue working in the field of education long term. The issue at hand isn't that teachers don't like teaching in schools, it's that they feel undervalued and don't have the support and the tools that they need to ensure their as well as their students' success and well-being. Teachers are some of the most resilient workers that we see during the pandemic. They adapted their plans to an entirely online format and continued educating from their homes. And thanks to this continuation, students were able to successfully re-enter schools and continue where they left off. However, parental support in areas including behavior, absenteeism, and communication are crucial to teachers for their success and that of their students and the smooth running of their classrooms moving forward. Finally, we'd like to say that as a team, we are grateful for all the responses that we received from teachers, as well as the support of Ms. Ana Verdecia, our mentor at the John S. Watson Institute based at Kean University. We hope that our research serves as a starting point for necessary discussions in education, as well as a form of acknowledgement for the hard work, love, and dedication that teachers everywhere pour into us students. To them, thank you.